Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of mushrooms. These remarkable fungi aren't just a delightful addition to your favorite dishes, they pack a powerful punch of health benefits that might just surprise you. So whether you're a devoted mushroom enthusiast or someone just beginning to explore the world of fungi, this video is for you. Let's unravel the health benefits of mushrooms and learn why they might just be the unsung heroes of your next meal. First and foremost, mushrooms contain antioxidants, such as selenium, ergothioneine, and various polyphenols, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, mushrooms can contribute to heart health in several ways. Certain compounds in mushrooms, such as beta-glucans, have been associated with cholesterol regulation. They may help lower levels of LDL cholesterol while maintaining or even increasing levels of HDL cholesterol. Mushrooms are a good source of potassium, a mineral known for its role in blood pressure regulation. Adequate potassium intake helps relax blood vessel walls, reducing the risk of high blood pressure. Some studies suggest that mushrooms may positively impact blood vessel function. Improved vasodilation, or the widening of blood vessels, is associated with better blood flow and reduced risk of cardiovascular issues. Mushrooms may contribute to the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels. This relaxation supports optimal blood flow and can positively influence blood pressure. What's more, mushrooms are naturally low in calories and fat, making them a nutritious and filling option for those looking to manage their weight. They provide a satisfying and flavorful addition to meals without significantly increasing caloric intake. They have a high water content, which adds volume to dishes without adding extra calories. This can contribute to a feeling of fullness and satiety, helping to control overall food intake. Mushrooms are nutrient-dense, meaning they provide a good amount of essential nutrients relative to their low-calorie content. This makes them a valuable addition to a diet focused on achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. They can be used as a meat substitute in various dishes, offering a satisfying texture and umami flavor without the added calories and fat often found in meat-based options. This versatility can be especially beneficial for those seeking plant-based or lower-calorie alternatives. Incorporating mushrooms into meals adds depth of flavor without relying on excessive amounts of oils, butter, or high-calorie sauces. This allows for the creation of delicious and satisfying dishes with lower overall calorie content. Some research suggests that certain compounds in mushrooms may contribute to better blood sugar control. This can be particularly beneficial for weight management, as stable blood sugar levels are associated with reduced cravings and improved energy balance. But wait, there is more. Mushrooms contain natural enzymes that can aid in the breakdown of food during digestion. These enzymes may contribute to the efficiency of nutrient absorption and the overall digestive process. The gut is a complex ecosystem, and maintaining its health is crucial for overall well-being. The fiber and various bioactive compounds in mushrooms contribute to a healthy gut environment, supporting optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Some research suggests that certain compounds in mushrooms, particularly polysaccharides, may have protective effects against gastric ulcers. These compounds may help maintain the integrity of the stomach lining. But the benefits don't stop there. Mushrooms contain polyphenols, which are plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These polyphenols, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to inflammation. Beta-glucans, a type of polysaccharide found in mushrooms, have been studied for their immune-modulating effects. These compounds may help regulate the immune system and mitigate inflammation. Selenium, present in varying amounts in different mushroom species, is an essential mineral with antioxidant properties. Adequate selenium intake is associated with reduced inflammation and supports the body's defense against oxidative stress. Mushrooms exposed to sunlight or UV light during growth naturally produce vitamin D. Adequate vitamin D levels have been linked to lower levels of inflammation in the body. Research suggests that certain compounds in mushrooms may suppress the expression of pro-inflammatory markers, helping to regulate the body's inflammatory response. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know mushrooms can contribute to supporting thyroid function? They are a good dietary source of selenium. Selenium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in the conversion of thyroid hormones. It is a key component of enzymes involved in the synthesis and metabolism of thyroid hormones. Adequate selenium intake supports the conversion of the inactive thyroid hormone T4, thyroxine, into the active form T3, triiodothyronine. This conversion is vital for maintaining optimal thyroid function and overall metabolic health. Selenium and other compounds in mushrooms have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can adversely affect thyroid function, and consuming anti-inflammatory foods, including mushrooms, may help support a healthy inflammatory response in the body. Lastly, mushrooms are a good source of B vitamins, including riboflavin B2, niacin B3, and pantothenic acid B5. These vitamins play a crucial role in energy metabolism and support the health of the nervous system, which is essential for optimal cognitive function. Niacin, a B vitamin found in mushrooms, is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters including serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Proper neurotransmitter balance is crucial for mood regulation and cognitive well-being. Ergothioneine, a naturally occurring antioxidant in mushrooms, has been studied for its potential neuroprotective effects. It may help protect nerve cells from damage and contribute to long-term brain health. Some compounds in mushrooms may have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is associated with cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases, and consuming anti-inflammatory foods may help mitigate these risks. And there you have it, folks, the incredible world of mushrooms and their astonishing health benefits. So the next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, consider adding a variety of mushrooms to your basket. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is about making mindful choices every day. Mushrooms, with their unique blend of nutrients and flavors, can be your ally on this journey to wellness. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried incorporating mushrooms into your meals? What's your favorite mushrooms-inspired recipe? What's that go-to mushroom-infused recipe that never fails to bring a smile to your face? Drop a comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. Catch you tomorrow in our next video. And until then, happy cooking. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.